Foundation issues can seriously stress you out, but knowing how to spot real problems versus cosmetic stuff can save you a ton of cash and headaches. Okay, so first off, if you notice cracks around doorways or in brick mortar, don't freak out right away. You want to get a legit engineer to check things out before calling a foundation repair company, because those guys might push repairs you don't actually need. An engineer's assessment is like getting the real deal. They'll measure your slab with laser precision and tell you if it's actually shifting or just looks wonky on the surface. Usually, minor cracks can be cosmetic, especially if the slab is still level within a fraction of an inch. Paying up front for an engineer might seem annoying, but it saves you from unnecessary repairs and scams. Take detailed notes during the inspection and ask questions about what the measurements mean for your house's safety. If the engineer says your slab is solid, then you can breathe easy or just do some minor patchwork yourself. Also, keep in mind, soil type matters. Clay soil can cause cracks that don't mean your foundation is failing. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation problems is calling a foundation repair company first without getting an independent engineer's opinion. These companies might upsell you on repairs that aren't needed because they want to make a sale. Another common issue is ignoring small cracks thinking they will fix themselves. Sometimes these cracks are cosmetic, but if you don't get a proper assessment, you won't know for sure. Lastly, many folks don't consider how important soil type and drainage around their home are. Poor drainage can cause real foundation damage, so fixing gutters and grading can sometimes solve the problem without expensive foundation work. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who won't try to sell you stuff you don't need. At the same time, it's a solid platform for contractors to connect with clients looking for honest work without all the pushy sales tactics.